This is the review for this HD digital video camera recorder from Amazon. This thing. It came in this box. It came with a little plastic cover, but I already removed that. We already tried using it. These instructions, which are terrible and don't actually work. This is what the camera looks like. It feels really cheap and really light. Pop in the memory card right down here. This thing flings out. It's got this snap button up top with these zoom. It's got these buttons in the back. And right here is where you install the battery. This is the battery that it comes with. This is where you install it. Turn it on with this little power button right here. And it has the mode setting right here for camera, video, and audio for some reason. The camera button works. This is your zoom. That's it, that's the max. This snap button snaps the picture. It's supposed to snap the picture. It's not working. And then switch the mode to video. And this snap button right here is supposed to begin the video, but that doesn't work either. And these buttons here, this one shows the snapped picture. Oh, that did take a picture. There was no confirmation. This button is supposed to show pictures, but there's no video of what I was trying to take. This center button does nothing. Up, I guess, goes through the pictures. Left does nothing. Center does nothing. So it doesn't take videos, it takes pictures. And these other buttons just feel really cheap and don't really work. I would not buy this, I'm returning it.